Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Good morning. Here's a look at your weather headlines. Warmer days ahead. You'll definitely feel that warmth today. Temperatures climbing into the 80s in the Rogue Valley. We do have a weak midweek storm system, though. It's not going to bring us much wet weather. We may see a few showers Wednesday evening along the coast, but all in all, the big thing is going to be winds picking up on Wednesday for much of the region. And then we're going to watch this weekend, Mother's Day weekend. It does look like we'll cool down by Sunday, and then we could be looking at some wet weather, especially into this next Monday. But today, lots of sunshine on your Tuesday. Look at how temperatures climb as we go through the day. In the Rogue Valley, readings up to around 70 by the noon hour and then climbing into the 80s in the afternoon. Winds fairly light, not much of a breeze in the afternoon. It will be blustery, though, a little bit breezy along the coast. But then notice what happens Wednesday as that weak storm system rolls in. We're going to look for some breezy conditions across much of southern Oregon and northern California. Gusts between 20 to 25 miles per hour in most spots. Take a look at today, up to 84 in Medford and Grants Pass. We'll top out around 72 in Klamath Falls, 79 in Wairika. A beautiful day. That offshore wind, that Checo effect, will keep Brookings on the warmer side for you folks, getting up to around 71. And then we cool things off a bit more for the coast tonight, down to 46 degrees. It will be a milder night inland, down to 39 in Klamath Falls and 49 in Medford. The coast, a shower possible later in the day Wednesday. Notice a little bit of a cool down for temperatures. The skies will turn sunny for the day on Thursday. And then taking a look at the Rogue Valley, we'll see increasing clouds on Wednesday, starting the day off with clouds on Thursday in the Rogue Valley, but look for those to clear on out pretty quick as we go through your Thursday morning. Still fairly warm and above average temperatures. Here's a look at Stormcast as we go through your Tuesday into Wednesday. Still quite a bit of sunshine. Clouds will be increasing, though, a bit as we go through the day Wednesday, and that potential for a shower mainly regulated to near the coast and then up to our north. And notice how these clouds clear out as we go through your Thursday morning in Jackson and Josephine County. Any precipitation that does fall near the coast will be very, very light. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. For the coast, slight chance of a shower on Wednesday, lots of sun on Thursday, even Friday. Temperatures topping out in the 60s. Northern California, warm stretch of weather, getting up into the mid to upper 80s by Friday and staying pretty warm on Saturday. The Klamath Basin, temperatures trending up in the days ahead, low 80s for highs Friday and Saturday. It does cool back a bit on Mother's Day. The mountains, milder temperatures, keeping an eye on the potential for showers on Mother's Day, a wetter day possible on Monday, and then in the Rogue Valley. A warm stretch this week, mainly looking at dry conditions, but we'll be watching for at least a slight chance of showers on Mother's Day, better chance on Monday.